Hello guys, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. Welcome to our channel, where we discuss recent developments in the world of XRP and other cryptocurrencies. Don't worry, as we said yesterday. The CEO of Ripple has confirmed exposure, and the FDIC has guaranteed full deposit insurance. Concerns have been voiced about the recent spate of whale transactions, in light of events at Silvergate and Silicon Valley Bank in particular. How will this affect people who have XRP in their portfolios? In the end, the cryptocurrency market predicted the price of XRP for March 31 within a 90% margin of error. Nonetheless, this is still the most pressing issue. To what extent do you think the community's hopes will be realized? Please watch to the end to find out more if you're still with me. Watch this brand new video right now if this is something that interests you. We'd like to extend a warm welcome to anyone who is checking out one of our videos for the first time today. In order to ensure that you never miss a new video, we recommend that you enable notifications. Silicon Valley's blockchain payments company was asked over the weekend if it had any exposure to the bank that recently failed. CEO Brad Garlinghouse of Ripple has confirmed, without providing specifics, that his company has funds invested in the now-defunct Silicon Valley Bank. Ripple CEO made the announcement in a three-part Twitter thread. It should be clarified that Ripple did in fact interact with SVB. He reassured investors and clients that the risk was manageable and wouldn't have any noticeable impact on business as usual. According to Garlinghouse, the company's cash reserves were spread out among a number of different banking partners. Even with the unpredictability of deposits at SVB at the time, Garlinghouse believes that Ripple is in a solid financial position. Notably, the CEO of Ripple mentioned how the SVB failure exposed flaws in the standard financial system. In particular, panic withdrawals caused by rumors can cause a bank to fail. It is still difficult to move money because banks cannot process wire transfers 24/7. There were concerns raised over the weekend about possible exposure to the failed bank at the Silicon Valley blockchain payments company. David Schwartz, CTO of Ripple, had previously said that an official statement would be issued, and that's exactly what happened. Also, Bloomberg reports that the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation has confirmed that it will insure all deposits held by SVB, regardless of whether or not the bank is insured by the agency. On Monday, March 13, depositors will have full access to their funds. An exception rule for systemic risk permits direct loans from the Fed to the FDIC. At first, the FDIC intended to compensate depositors who were covered by insurance while paying out dividends in advance to those who were not. However, a prior report highlighted the fact that over 93% of SVB customers lacked insurance coverage. Regulators decided to backstop deposits to prevent a potential spillover effect and the collapse of several American tech startups that banked with SVB because of this and the difficulty in finding a buyer within the weekend due to the short timing for due diligence. According to previous news accounts, a bank run at SVB last week prompted authorities to take action on Friday. Due to losses on previously held securities as a result of Fed rate hikes, the bank announced plans to sell significant shares to raise capital, sparking a run on the institution. Since most of its customers' deposits were invested in long-term securities, it was unable to keep up with the flood of withdrawal requests. The FDIC will likely begin another auction within the week while it processes withdrawals and keeps trying to find buyers. According to reports, Elon Musk expressed an intention to purchase the failed financial institution. If you want to stay abreast of the latest XRP-related news, be sure to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications. Just a quick digression while I gush about Apple. A market maker is a type of liquidity provider that generates its own funds. Someone is essentially lending their crypto assets to the platform in order to facilitate cryptocurrency trading on a decentralized network. You can earn a passive income by facilitating trades on the platform and receiving the associated fees. What's more, you can have it if you use DEX, short for automatic compounding, is a protocol for managing assets on the blockchain that uses optimization methods and data analytics to maximize rewards and compound interest rates through automated combination. One or more times daily, users of these protocols see a return on their participation investments. Clarifying that any user of a decentralized platform like Uniswap SushiSwap can contribute to the platform's liquidity is crucial for maximizing AP. And so on through this pool. There is a wide range of advantages to investing for the long term. DEX Pool has a welcome special sign-up bonus, which you can claim if you use the link in the video description, for 2 reasons. First, because you're getting rewards while your cryptocurrencies remain and staking, and second, because decentralized platforms based on blockchains coordinate cryptoasset trading on a large scale and among many users and do so entirely through automated algorithms. To receive this bonus, you can earn up to 100 XRP. You will receive a liquidity bonus that will last for 10 days. There's only a limited supply available. This bonus is yours once you make a deposit. XRP and Ripple. There were questions raised by investors after well addresses recently transferred nearly 1 billion XRP tokens in under 2 hours. According to the numbers, up to 916.3 million XRP were moved around, and 200 million tokens were traded in 8 separate transactions involving Ripple. According to Whale Alert, the most recent swarm of whale transactions kicked off with a transfer from Ripple. The Silicon Valley firm sent 200 million XRP, or about $72.7 million, to an unidentified recipient. The recipient of the transaction is associated with Ripple, as evidenced by the fact that the recipient's address was verified and made active by the company. Possible source of transferred funds is 1 billion XRP tokens set for release this month. Ripple transferred $300 million. When the tokens were released from escrow on March 1, they were sent to a designated address. As previously highlighted by the Crypto Basic, on March 6 this address transferred 100 million XRP tokens from the 300 million XRP tokens received to an unknown address. As of this most recent action, the remaining 200 million tokens had been transferred to the same mysterious address as the March 6 transaction. It is anticipated that these tokens will be transferred to trading platforms to increase liquidity. Following a thorough investigation into the flow of funds, we know that they ultimately made their way to Bitso and Bitstamp via several intermediate addresses. Not long after the Ripple transaction, $88.9 million worth of XRP was moved to untraceable whale addresses. Though the identity of the sending wallet has not been revealed, data indicates that it was likely activated by a verified Ripple address. After waiting 2 minutes, the receiving wallet sent the money and other assets it had received to a third, unidentified wallet. About $100.8 million worth of XRP, or $278.5 million, changed hands in this exchange. An additional internal transfer between 2 Bitso accounts will be signaled in a separate alert. The address is changed, costing an additional $11.3 million in XRP. The remaining transfers involved a single Bittrex-affiliated address that sent 161 million XRP across 4 separate Bitstamp accounts. There were a total of 44 million XRP exchanged in the first transaction, and 51 million XRP moved in the second. 2 separate transactions totaling 33 million XRP were sent from that address. You may recall that the CEO of Ripple confirmed the company's exposure to Silver Valley Bank, while the FDIC guaranteed full deposit insurance. Furthermore, with the release of version 2.40, improvements have been made to the XRP self-custody wallet XLM. Months of work went into this release, and it shows with numerous improvements to security and user experience. Furthermore, pathfinding payments are now a viable option in Zoom, which is huge news. With this feature, users can make payments using any token listed on the XRP ledger, and the recipient will receive the specified token amount. This brings us to today's big question. Will March 31 bring the XRP price increase that the crypto community so confidently predicted? CoinMarketCap reports an abrupt 112% increase in XRP trading volume. Uncertainty surrounds the cause of the uptick in volume, given that it occurred without a commensurate rise in price. Following the disclosure by Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse that his company had been exposed to the now-defunct Silicon Valley Bank SVB. While the daily chart for the XRP token shows a slight decline in response, the cryptocurrency community as a whole remains bullish on the digital asset. The 1,115 community votes cast by CoinMarketCap users as of press time indicate that the average price of XRP will rise to 41 cents on March 31, representing a 13.6% increase from the token's current price as of data retrieved on March 13. The technical indicators for XRP on the financial monitoring website TradingView show a bearish trend for the coming day. The summary agrees with the strong sell sentiment of 16 that was generated by the convergence of moving averages indicating a strong sell at 14 and oscillators in the neutral area at 8. However, the token is currently trading at 38 cents, up 3% on the day but down 4% over the previous week and 5.7% over the previous 30 days. FinVault has the most up-to-date information as of March 15th. A number of external factors, including the resolution of the ongoing legal dispute between Ripple, a blockchain company, and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), as well as the broader crypto and macroeconomic landscape, will determine whether or not the community's optimistic predictions come true. We've reached the end of the video. Guys, if you liked what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and enable notifications. Thanks to this, I'm able to better navigate YouTube's ranking system. The more people you can get to watch this video and be enlightened by it, the more people you will help. We need to get the word out far and wide. Guys, don't miss a single piece of content if you're a true cryptocurrency fan. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.